Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and now we're going to be looking at a numbers problem dealing with remainders. What is key for this problem is to take a look at the answer choices and try to eliminate choices that don't really make sense. So given that we're going to be looking at 5 consecutive positive integers that are each divided by the number 4. And something you should know about dividing numbers and the remainders is when they're consecutive, they're going to be values that go one after the other. So for example, if we're to divide 5 by 4, 4 only goes in once, and you have a remainder of 1. If you're to divide 6 by 4, only once, and you have a remainder of 2. If you divide 7 by 4, only once, you have a remainder of 3. But then once you have 8, 4 can go in twice, and you have 0. So you can't ever have the number 4 as a remainder once you're dividing by 4. So any option that has the number 4 can immediately be crossed out, just as any option that doesn't follow incrementally by one positive integer can be immediately crossed out. So for example, 0, 2, 3, 4 wouldn't work out, not only because 4 is there, as it is in all of the other wrong answer choices, but also because it's not incrementing by one positive integer. So none of these are possible answers, and this is the only possible solution. And just to show you why this works, if you were to plug in the smallest positive integer value that gives you an initial remainder of 0, which is number 4, and you divide that by 4, you get a remainder of 0. 5 divided by 4, as we already saw, gives you 1. And now we're repeating what we have up top, so you have 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 0 again, because when you divide 8 by 4, 4 times 2 gives you 8 with a remainder of 0. So this is the correct response. I hope that this helps with this sort of problem. Just remember that the remainder for positive integers is going to be increasing by one positive integer as well as you move along, and that you cannot have a remainder that is equal to the same number that you're dividing by. I hope that helps, and happy prepping!